Alright guys, well this is kind of just like super random. I'm not gonna like make this some crazy video, you know, music, intro, whatever the case may be. Yeah, I don't know, I just want to make this video just to kind of like put it out there and just like see what's up, like what is going on, kind of see what you guys think, and just put some awareness to this because this is actually ridiculous. A couple hours ago, before I got my haircut, I was just scrolling on Instagram and I saw this reel on Instagram. And I just honestly had to share it to my story and just have a few words on it because literally like it's actually ridiculous. Like I seriously like don't understand what goes on in these people's brains. This video genuinely pissed me off. It made me so sad. I'm confused. Like help me understand this. I don't understand. But yeah, I've seen a lot of videos like this in the past and I've had, you know, I think I've shared it like a couple times on my story, but this one was probably like one of the worst that I've seen. I'll go ahead and put it right here on the screen. I don't know if I'm gonna show the full video because it's kind of graphic and I don't know how YouTube is with that stuff right now. Yeah, as a, you know, car enthusiast, as an actual car enthusiast, not a clown that you guys see in this reel right here. And you know, I do have this YouTube channel, so it's like, you know what, I want to like put my word out on it, you know, put some type of awareness. And maybe like if you're an individual that are watching this video right now and attend stuff like this, like these takeovers or like these things, hopefully I can change your perspective and make you second guess the next time you want to participate in clown activities like this. It's actually ridiculous. Like this video it just like stirred up so many emotions in me because not only am I, you know, part of the car scene and are affected by stuff like this, but especially being in California, cops target me like crazy and it's worse because of these takeovers. Anyways, we'll talk more about that later, but yeah, as you can see on this reel, clown is doing some donuts in a obviously public intersection and this car passes by. I assume is a random, you know, pedestrian. You know, they're probably going to work, they're probably going home and they can't get by because they're blocking the intersection doing donuts. You know, there's mobs of people there, and as you can see, the car passes by and I don't know what happens after this because the camera kind of pans away. You hear a crash. Now I don't know if the driver like crashed because he wasn't paying attention, or I don't know if like another individual from the takeover crashed into this car because they passed. I don't know the complete details. I'm literally just going based off of this reel and what I see. Eventually the camera pans over, everybody swarms over there. The clips turn into everybody just destroying this poor man's car. Yeah, they're like literally just mobs of people kicking the car, destroying it, getting on top of it, you know, calling him names. Like, dude, his car is literally getting destroyed right in front of us. And it's sad, bro. Like, this guy is probably on his way home from work. Like it makes me sad, bro. Like I'm trying not to get emotional right now, but Christmas is in 2 days. Now, this guy literally went through this during the holiday season. Like, come on, bro. This whole situation is just so freaking sad. Like watching this video, bro, it's 2 days away from Christmas. This guy is trying to get home. Like, who knows what this guy is going through? Like, everybody's going through something, and you got all of these guys destroying this man's car. This man has prayer hands up. This guy is literally praying, begging for his life, for his safety. He's begging for everybody here to not hurt him. Like, how sad is that, bro? That genuinely makes me so angry and sad. This guy is helpless. Hundreds of people outside of his car destroying it. Look at this clown on top of his car, stomping with his goofy little outfit on. Like, what are you doing, bro? Okay, it destroyed his windshield. Like, okay, like, do you feel better about yourself? Like, I don't understand this. Literally, I don't understand the reasoning behind this. And they pull him out of his car. Like, this is the most sad part. They pull him out of the car, and I think he's literally the passenger, and literally just jump him. They are literally beating him. And he picks him up and slams him on the floor. That is so sad, dude. He's saying sorry. How can you even like how can you be so sick in the head to do something like this? All because he wanted to cross an intersection. I don't understand, man. I don't understand. That makes me so angry. I honestly feel so bad for that guy. I guess for any individual that's watching this video that may attend these takeovers, that go there just to film it, you know, because it's cool, because it's fun. You may not even participate in the donuts, but you're probably going there filming it. Whatever the case may be, if you're watching this and you support takeovers, think about this. A loved one, your mom, your dad, your girlfriend, whoever the case may be. Imagine them in this situation. Like, take this man right here, put one of your loved ones in that position. Imagine you hear the news that your mom was on the way home from work and she got caught up in this takeover and people just started destroying her car and they pulled her out of the car and started beating her. Like that makes me sick to my stomach thinking about that. I just don't understand. Like, why do people think this is okay? Why are these things continuing to happen? You're not benefiting anything. You seriously are doing more harm than... There's no good out of this situation, literally. Oh, you got a cool video? Sure. You're doing no good to the car scene. You're ruining the car scene. You're making everybody look bad in the car scene, including yourself. If your job saw you doing this, you'd probably get fired. You're ruining city property, your own city that you live in and reside in. You're ruining the property. You're making the city look bad. And you're just putting yourself and other people in just so much danger. There is no good that comes out of takeovers, literally. Like, I sound like an old head right now, but take it to the track, bro. Like, why do you have to go on a public intersection, make a fool out of yourself, put everybody else in danger, make the car scene much more worse than it already is? It's already bad. The car scene is literally already toxic. Before takeovers, the car scene is toxic. It just makes things 100 times worse. The BRZ I'm in right now, like, I get scared bringing this car out because of takeovers. You know how many times I've gotten state refed in my cars because my car fits the description of a takeover car, which is far from the truth. My car doesn't look like a clapped out G35. Cops don't know the difference. Like, they just see a modified car and they're like, oh, he probably street races. Oh, he probably attends takeovers. Like, think about the consequences, guys. Like, it's actually ridiculous. You guys, if you guys have been watching the channel, you guys know how many times I've gotten pulled over, and it's 1,000 times worse due to these takeovers. In my town, my city, they literally have a specific like task force. It sounds so like corny, but it's true. They have a special traffic division for modified cars. I don't know, it's some like street racing division. Like, it sounds so corny, but the fact how California has gone to that extent to having a specific traffic division in the local police department that only targets modified cars. Now, don't get me wrong, some cops may understand the difference, but I'm telling you right now, at least 90% of the cops don't know the difference between a show car and a car that street races and attends takeovers. I've heard it so many times in police encounters with myself. Oh, your car fits the description of a street racing car or a takeover car. Oh, like, takeovers have been on the rise lately and we're just pulling you over because, you know, we want to check your license, see how you are, see if you got anything on your record due to street racing, this and that, reckless driving, whatever the case may be. Like, it's so annoying how I cannot drive my personal vehicle that I've spent thousands and thousands of dollars to perfect to my liking, only to get pulled over, state ref me. If you guys don't know what a state ref is, it's pretty much you cannot drive your car until you put everything back to stock. And if you get caught again, you'll get impounded or maybe even arrested. Like, literally, you don't have the rights to drive your car because of a freaking modified exhaust. Now, this stuff was not a big deal years ago, but now because of these takeovers, all these people made cars look bad. Every modified car looks bad on the streets in California. Obviously, it's way more chill in other states, but I'm speaking on California because I feel like most of the takeovers happen in California, in Los Angeles. I'm like kind of ranting right now, but like, just in general, so much has changed because of these takeovers. Like, it has ruined so much for us car enthusiasts, like actual car enthusiasts. Like, these people at these takeovers are not car enthusiasts. Moral of the story, I just want to bring some awareness to this stuff. Like, if you support this stuff, if you follow these takeover Instagram pages and look out for the next one that you can attend on a Friday night or whatever, just second guess like your decision, bro. If you and your homies all go to this, bring it up, bro. Like, share them this video at least. I want to hopefully change some people's perspective and decisions on going to these takeovers. It's sad because I feel like this stuff is not gonna end unless like we make a change. Like, that's so cliche, but that's why I wanted to make this video. I want something to change. People talk about takeovers and it's like, yeah, like they're bad, yeah, they're ruining the car scene, but it's like, that's all it ever like comes out to be. You know what I mean? I feel like there's no real action that has ever been taken. Cops are literally just gonna keep pulling us over. At this point, it's like I'm second guessing, bro. Like, I'm debating, like, should I even move to another state due to these takeovers, due to these like car laws in California? Like, it's sad, bro. Like, I shouldn't be moving to a different state because of my freedom of driving my personal vehicle being limited. Like, it's ridiculous, man. Yeah, I mean, at this point, I'm probably just like saying the same stuff over and over again, but I just had to make this video. Like, this was not no planned video. This is not no intro, background music, this and that, like full-on production video. I just wanted to turn the camera on and just share my feelings about this takeover stuff because I feel like not a lot of content creators, you know, put some awareness to this issue. I'm just gonna go and step up. I don't know if it's gonna do anything. I don't know if it's gonna make me look bad. I don't know. Whatever the case may be, I just wanted to share my feelings on this and hopefully change a couple of your guys', you know, perspective and opinions and decisions on takeovers, because it's honestly getting out of hand and it's probably gonna get even worse. Like, guys, I want to be able to comfortably take this car out. Like, it's unfortunate how me driving to the gas station, how I have to look out for cops, you know what I mean? Due to these takeovers, it's just so much more worse than what it used to be. And it's sad, bro. Like, I just genuinely love modifying cars. I love driving cars, everything about cars. But it's insane nowadays how cops just target you. And I don't blame them, bro. Like, if I knew nothing about cars and I saw this stuff happening, I probably would think the same way. But I mean, it's just unfortunate nowadays how the car scene is now, and just the whole police thing and takeovers and how they're cracking down on this stuff. It would be nice to be able to just comfortably drive this car. In another state, yes, I would be able to, but in my situation in California, it's a little bit different. Got a full tank of E85. Sheesh. The purple is hitting right now. So yeah, with that being said, the day I'm filming this, it is December 23rd, 2 days before Christmas. On a happier note, I hope you guys all enjoy your holiday season, you know, have a Merry Christmas. I know this time around, it's either, you know, the best time of year for some people or the worst time of year for some people, you know, depending on your situation. Regardless, you know, I hope you guys all find, you know, happiness throughout this holiday season, and especially jumping into, you know, 2025. We got a new year coming ahead of us. So yeah, I just wanted to wish you guys all, you know, a Merry Christmas, a happy holidays, and yeah, you know, it's the holiday season, you know, it's always, you know, a good time of the year, you know, lots of family time, friend time. So yeah, I just wanted to, you know, send some positive vibes your guys' way, and I hope you guys all enjoy this last part of 2024. With all that being said, I know this is kind of a different type of video. That's pretty much all. I could go on for hours about this topic, but that's pretty much all I have for today. Thank you for listening to me, to my different type of video. I know it's kind of different than what I usually post, but hope you guys all have a good one. Merry Christmas, happy holidays, and I will catch you, if I don't catch you with another video in 2024, I'll catch you guys all in 2025. Peace out, and I'll see you all in the next one.